Alright guys, so I just want to show you what I have in one of my son's Easter baskets. We typically do like the same things when it comes to basic stuff like toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, shampoo, that kind of thing. But then we kind of customize to what they like. So we'll just, no particular order, I'll just start here. We have this Hogwarts t-shirt that I found on clearance at Target. He loves Harry Potter, and we are going to Disney this summer, so hopefully he can wear it. So we have that. He loves Pokemon also, so I got him this little hat here. My husband grew a mustache this year, and my son thinks it's awesome, so I got him these pencil toppers to go with that theme. This was just kind of like a little filler, but my kids love these blow up balloons that you like punch that are attached to the elastic, so I grabbed this. We don't do a whole lot of candy because my mom kind of goes overboard with candy, so I got him the Sour Patch gummies that are actually little bunnies, so I thought that was cute. And my kids love gum, so I got them each a pack of gum. This one is the watermelon flavor. I guess to go along with the gum, I got them new toothbrushes. But I really like these Oral-B ones. They're electric, but they just run by like a AA battery, and you can buy new toothbrush heads for them. So that's good. I grabbed some kids' toothpaste, some mouthwash, and then my boys really like this 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash because it smells like the soap that my husband uses. So they think that's just awesome. I got one of these for each of the boys, just a little football that they can throw around. And then I always get them socks every year because I feel like, I don't know where all of the socks go, but I feel like we lose at least half of them each year, so I always get them socks. My boys are into boxer briefs these days, so I got this pack. It was a pack of 3. My boys love the Guardians of the Galaxy, so I got these ones. And then I got them each a new swimsuit. So we got these swim trunks, and then also just a little muscle tee that he can wear with it. And then of course I just got them each a beach towel, and I folded it into a bunny, which I will insert into this clip on how to do that. It's very easy. I was planning on using these for like the whole basket, but they're kind of small. But I just thought it would be cute to have this with their stuff, and I can still put like you saw before, some stuff in there. I thought I would show you just the other things that I put in my other 2 kids' baskets. I won't go over like the whole toiletry stuff because that's all the same. But I got this bathing suit for my other son. He likes to bolt, so I like to get bright colors for him. And I just grabbed this nice blue colored muscle tee to go with it. And he is very much into the Emoji Movie right now, so I saw this and I thought he would just absolutely love it. Has all the little emojis on the brim, or the visor. So I got that. My youngest son loves dinosaurs, so I got him this tee. And he also loves Harry Potter, so I grabbed this Gryffindor tee. And then for my daughter, I found this really adorable tankini. It's a halter style, and then the tankini part, it's this kind of like see-through, like crochet type material, except it's swimsuit material. And then the bottoms are adorable too because it has the same kind of design on the sides. And then for her shirt, I got her this really soft Dream With Your Heart t-shirt with a beautiful little unicorn on it. I thought she would like that a lot. And then I just grabbed her a pair of like more fun socks. bit older and probably, you know, would appreciate these more than just plain white socks. But I thought the colors were really pretty. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I folded my kids' beach towels to look like little bunnies to use to put some Easter stuff in. So first I'm going to fold the towel in half the long way so it's a square. And then what we're going to do is roll from one corner, nice and tight, to about the middle. Okay? And then we roll the opposite corner the same way to the middle. So it's like this. And then what you do is you take it and make a circle, just like this. You grab the two ends, and here I have a hair elastic. You can use an elastic or you can use ribbon, but I found that the elastic is definitely easiest. So then you take the two sides, the two ends here, and you fold it back. And you bring the elastic around. Like so. And then you can kind of just play with it. Roll the ears in more to get the shape that you want. Now, if you want a little bit of a bigger face, just pull the ends down a little bit and you can reshape it how you want. And there you have it. A little bunny. Easter stuff in there.